Hello.
Hi, I'm Helen. What's your name?
I'm Ahmed.
Ahmed. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
Okay. Your English sounds really good. You have amazing pronunciation.
Oh, thank you for encouraging me.
What?
I'm just a beginner.
Oh, I don't believe that.
Okay. I graduated from my college for English department about 9 years ago.
Okay. Oh, so you're not a beginner. Not a beginner.
Okay, but I forget all the language, all the vocabulary about these 9 years. So I started about 2 weeks ago to improve my language. You know.
Okay.
Yeah. Continue.
You're doing well. You're doing well.
Thank you. Thank you.
What time is it in Iraq now?
Now it's about 10 o'clock.
In the morning?
In the morning, of course, a.m.
Okay, 10 a.m. Okay, great. Are you at work?
Yeah, I'm at work. I work in a computer shop.
Okay, and they don't mind that you're talking while you're working?
No, I am the manager here.
Ah, okay. Good job.
Yeah, I am the manager here. This is my own shop.
Oh, okay. Okay, it's your business.
Yeah, this is my free time. No one can come to my shop, and I used to Cambly to practice English.
It's the best way. You have a native. You can practice conversation.
Of course, yeah. Of course.
Today,
yes.
Sorry. Is it today? Are you happy just having a conversation, or would you like to look at some lesson material and do something else?
No, I want the conversation.
Conversation. Okay, great.
Because I believe the conversation help to talk in fluent.
Yes, it will help you improve your fluency. Definitely.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
How is business?
Good.
How long have you had your shop?
About 14 years ago.
14 years?
Yeah.
Oh, how old are you, if you don't mind my asking?
No. I'm 33.
And you've had your business for 14 years. You were 19?
No, I am 33 years old.
Yes, but if you started the shop 14 years ago,
yes,
then you opened the shop when you were 19.
Yes.
Oh, so you were very young when you started your business.
Yeah. When I was in the college, I started my job. So I grew up with studying and working.
Okay, that's a lot on.
Yeah. But, it helped me to achieve my goals quickly.
Okay. Yeah, of course.
I am married, and I have I have a wife and 3 kids. I have 1 girl. This is the older one. Her name is Lara.
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 Lara, yes, exactly.
Lara.
Yeah.
How old is she?
She's 9 years ago. She's 9 years.
9 years old. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And the other two?
And the other one boy, his name is Ibrahim.
Rahim.
And he's 5 years old.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah. And the youngest one is 2 years.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so you're very busy, huh? You're very busy at home.
Oh, so busy, so busy. My home like a school. Every hour of the day. Every day of the day.
But it's worse to be bored than to be too busy. It's worse to be bored. It's a terrible thing.
Yes. And so this is in Iraq. This is the first day to started the school here in Iraq. All the students go to the school
today.
Yes.
Ah, it's the first day. It's the first day of a new term.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
How did your daughter feel today? Was she happy to go back to school?
Feel so happy. She met her friends and say hi. Give me 5. I'm laughing.
Yeah.
I'm laughing. I'm laughing. But the young boy. What do you call about the first level? Before the first level,
kindergarten. Kindergarten. Yeah.
Kindergarten. This is preparing for the schools.
Yes, or preschool.
A preschool.
Preschool. Yes.
Name kindergarten.
Yes.
Yeah. He's optimistic. I can't go. No, I say to him, no, you will have friends and a lot of play there. I say, I will go.
Yeah.
I will go. I said to him, I will pick you up after 3 hours. Yeah. Oh, okay. I will wait you, Dad.
Oh, that's so cute. And did he cry? Did he cry or not?
Yeah, cry.
He did cry.
Yeah, cry.
But it'll be. I remember my daughter's first day at preschool. She's 6 now. She's 6 years old. But on her first day of school, when she was 3, she was crying before she went in. But then when she came out, when we came to pick her up, she said, "No, I want to go back to school. I want to go to more school."
Yeah. I call the teacher. You know, I said to him, how is my boy Ibrahim? She said, "Oh, who's playing? And don't ask about you." We said, "Oh no, yeah. Good. The same. Okay. This is the same as your daughter. Yeah. You know, kids make life happy.
Yes, they do.
Yeah.